In our previous video, we discussed trace antennas and the various shapes that you could have. In this one, we will look over design considerations, since throwing traces on a PCB willy-nilly is probably not going to work out for you. Things to consider for your trace antenna that you wish to design for your PCB. Your trace antenna should be kept to a keep-out area within your PCB. A keep-out area is where the only thing within that area is your trace antenna. There will be no traces or ground fill within this keep-out area, since those will cause issues with the transmission or reception of signals on your trace antenna. The desired frequency response is in relation to the length of the trace antenna that you wish to go with. If you have a lower frequency, then you need a longer trace for your antenna. So this is something to consider when you are creating your design. A ground plane is essential. It is recommended that you have the base of your trace antenna directly connected to your ground plane. Another thing you can try is also having the via fences around the keep out area that are connected directly to ground. This helps facilitate clean signals coming into and out of your trace antenna. Impedance matching is very important for your trace antenna. Just like with external antennas, you'll want to make sure that your trace antenna's impedance matches that of your RF source, which is typically 50 ohms. Not doing this will cause degraded performance. You got to test your widget. Physics is a fickle mistress. Sometimes you could have everything theoretically worked out, but something's just not working right. It could be that you've got EMI from a different part of your circuit that's affecting your antenna, or something about your antenna isn't designed properly. You can give yourself some more confidence in this by having proper simulation tools in your favorite CAD software. There's numerous things to consider if you want to go with a trace antenna, but ultimately it'll provide you with a sleeker design because there's no external antennas, and the costs will be lower than if you wanted to go with an external antenna. That's it for this Whiteboard Wednesday. Thank you for watching, and stay grounded.